Hi and welcome. Adam Rovithis with Rovithis Realty. We're here at 152 Pleasant Street. It's about a mile from Five Corners and 202. Behind me, about 2,500 square feet of brand new construction. It's got some great upgrades as well. Plenty of hardwood flooring. We've got a beautiful deck with composite railings, great for entertaining. We've got a walkout basement, and make sure you stay tuned to the end. We've got a master bath that you only see in magazines. Come on, let's go check it out. Well, I hope you enjoyed your personal tour here at 152 Pleasant Street. With new construction, you'll have a very low cost of ownership, as minimal things will need replacing over the years. If you have any additional questions about the property or would like to schedule a private tour with me, please don't hesitate to contact me at the number below. Also, if you know anyone else looking for new construction here in Granby, please share the video link with them. I know they'll thank you. Here at Rovithis Realty, we truly believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.